Hi guys, welcome back to Tutorial channel. Now I will give you a tutorial how to know application that need to be upgraded on Android Play Store. And before that, I wanna ask you, how are you guys? So don't miss off our videos. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. And let's start it. First of all, we go to Play Store application. After that, you can click that symbol in the upper of the corner and click over and notification. Click notification here and you can see 24 updates available. Click update all and see details. And now the application that need to be upgraded will be upgraded. And go back and notification is cocked up. Okay, this is a tutorial how to know application that need to be updated on Android Play Store. I hope this video is useful for you and thank you.